Binmaster has a new spin on the rotary level indicator, and the redesign starts with the BMRX-100. There's a new NEMA 4X IP66 enclosure with an easy open screw-on cap to provide easy wiring access. It's made of die-cast aluminum and powder-coated in Binmaster Red. A separate process fitting allows the enclosure to rotate 270 degrees after the unit is threaded to the mounting plate. So you can always install the two 3/4 inch conduit entries so they point down to the ground to prevent unwanted moisture from entering or harming the rotary. On the inside, the BMRX-100 features a simple mechanical design. It's got a 10 amp, 250 volts AC max SPDT relay switch, and it's powered by a USA-made gear motor made in Binmaster's Nebraska plant. The BMRX-100 motor voltages include 115 volts AC, 220 volts AC, and 24 volts AC to suit any plant processing operation. The BMRX is adaptable to many bulk solid materials using top and side mounting plates for half and full couplings, a wide selection of paddles for light, medium, and heavyweight materials, collapsible paddles so there's no need to go inside the vessel to install or replace the rotary, stainless steel process connections for corrosive or caustic materials, and galvanized and stainless steel extensions for top-mounted rotaries used for high-level alerts. The BMRX-100, like all Binmaster rotaries, is used for process control for high, demand, and empty level indication, level detection, and point level alerts in vessels containing bulk solids, overflow prevention, in particular high-level alerts to avoid overfilling and prevent material outages using low-level alerts to eliminate empty vessel conditions. It can also detect overload or empty conveyors and alert when chutes get clogged with material. Whether you're in agriculture, construction, mining, plastics, or any industry that processes bulk solids, put the BMRX-100 to work for you. Order the BMRX-100 online at binmaster.com or email us at info@binmaster.com. You can also call us at 800-278-4241.